In this tutorial, I will show you how to configure IP forwarding on a Weidmüller router step by step. First, I will briefly explain what IP forwarding is. Then I will show a simple use case. Finally, we will configure it on the router. IP forwarding allows you to get access to a device behind the router in a different network. It works similar to port forwarding. But instead of forwarding to a specific port, the traffic is forwarded directly to another IP address. This means all services of the device behind the router can be reached. This makes communication between different networks possible. If you have used one-to-one NAT before, make sure it is disabled. Using one-to-one NAT and IP forwarding at the same time will cause problems. In this example, we want to access a device in the local network from the one side. The incoming traffic will be forwarded to an internal device. Let's connect the devices. Now, let's configure IP forwarding on the router. First, open the web interface of the Weidmüller router. Log in with your credentials. Go to Configuration, then Network, and then Forwarding. Create a new forwarding rule. Set the public interface to WAN. Set the protocol to any. Enter the local IP address 192.168.2.253. This is the address you call later to reach the device behind the router. This IP is an additional address in your network that is handled by the router. Make sure this address is available and not used by another device. Now set the target IP to 192.168.1.20. This is the internal device. All traffic sent to the first IP address will now be forwarded to this device. A target port is not required. In case the target device doesn't know the gateway, make sure to enable SNAT. Apply the settings and wait until the configuration is completed. The configuration is now complete. We can now reach the device using the new IP address. Traffic is successfully forwarded from the WAN network to the LAN network. Now you have learned what IP forwarding is and how to set it up on a Weidmüller router. Thank you for watching.